Hello, this is Angler Waki. I am a Japanese fishing enthusiast based in the United States. I upload fishing videos every week introducing Japanese fishing trends and techniques. I hope you like my channel. Okay, O.S.P. Mylar, Minnow. In this video, I'll show you a mid-strolling technique with this lure. Let's check out the fishing footage. Late fall to early winter, fishing really slows down, especially in small ponds like the one I usually fish. The water conditions change every day, making things unpredictable. On top of that, the fishing pressure stays high with so many anglers coming and going. That day, I started fishing with a weightless rig, letting the worm sink slowly to the bottom. Nothing happened. The water was completely calm, and I couldn't spot any redfish schools anywhere. Then a light breeze started to blow, and something changed. I noticed the huge ripples on the water. Maybe the redfish were starting to move up. In conditions like that, sticking to fishing the bottom didn't seem like the best idea. I checked my tackle box and found an O.S.P Mylar Minnow already rigged on a jig head. Perfect! I decided to try mid-strolling. It felt like the perfect setup for the situation. You know what mid-strolling is, right? It's a popular technique in Japan, making the lure stroll through the water with a rolling action. It's considered one of the best finesse bass fishing techniques. Earlier this year, I spent a lot of time practicing it. I know I still need more practice, but now I'm confident enough to call it one of my go-to techniques. Cast and reel while waving the line to make the lure roll. Don't stop shaking the rod, but make sure it doesn't cause the lure to wobble. Let's see how it worked. O.S.P. Mylar, Minnow. Okay, jig head rig. Need the story. Come on. Ring. It's very shaking. This is a technique called mid-strolling. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's early winter. not easy to catch fish. But the water temperature is not that cold. And I saw a couple of small bears attack the small redfish. There should be a chance. Let's cast. And reel. Okay. Mid-strolling. Strolling. Okay. Mylar, Minnow. Mid-strolling. O.S.P. Mylar, Minnow. Mid-strolling. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yes. Oh, nice size though. It's a nice size. Be careful. Okay. There you go. Yes. Yes, my Minnow with the strolling. Wow. Okay. Thank you. Nice fight. Bye. Yes. Okay, it's time to go home. O.S.P, Mylar, Minnow, rig, mid-strolling. This lure made my day. Yes. The first couple of hours, I tried a weightless Waki rig, and no luck at all. Then I changed my game plan to this lure with a technique mid-strolling. Then, yes, I caught a couple of nice bass. Whew. Okay, I'm so happy. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and community. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. More on the way. See you in the next video. Bye bye.